Do you ever wonder what possessed you to think something was a good idea? That's where I am right now with sourdough. Apparently one evening last week I thought it was a good idea to like get a sourdough starter kit, and I requested one and I got it. Now what? I guess I have to make it. So it came with some cool stuff though. Came with a little tiny cute scale, and came with a little jar and the measuring thing, and it came with this, and it came with a lid too. So I have never had bread come out in my entire adult life that wasn't frozen from a bag from the store. But it came with instructions, so we're going to try that. Apparently you only need 3 things for this. I got the unbleached bread flour, and I have filtered water from my fridge that I let sit on my counter for like overnight or longer. And then I've got the jar, and I've got the little thing. So we're going to try this. It says that I need to put the jar, oh, I guess that's fine. So there, I need to put the jar, turn this on, put the jar on there, and you have to tear it. I know how to do that from soap making, because you don't want to measure the jar. So you're going to zero out your scale, tear or zero out your scale. And then this one says, I'm going to zero it, and then I'm going to add 100 grams of warm water. Tap water is fine. And 100 grams of the flour. So 100 grams. That's, wait, this, go to 0. Go to 0. Okay. Is it 0? This really makes me nervous because the whole, like, exact aspect. Some people say you don't have to be exact, but then when I'm making things, ooh, oh, I'm looking for 100. I'm looking for 100 grams. Ooh, that's too much. That's 126. I just need 100. So I'm looking for 100 grams. 92.7. Just a splash more. I tend to try to be really, I'm probably, see, it's going to be hard with the 97, 90, 101. Come on. Oh my gosh. You're in this with me, folks, because 97. Ugh. 98.4. 102. Are you kidding me? Okay. Here we go. 95. $102. Why does it take so long? I might start again. I don't know. 104. This is taking entirely longer than it needs to. Now I'm back to like the 98. Oh my gosh. 107. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. 100! Yay! Finally. I'm too precise, probably. I'm probably more precise than I need to be. This is going to be tricky, though. This is going to be the flour part. So, we'll see. Okay, I've opened the flour. Got a spoon. This is going to be the tricky part, I think. I gotta zero it out again. 0. And I have to put 100 grams of this in. This flour. So I just make it go to 100. Neighbors are playing some music, so let's 17, 36, and then I have to stir it after I do this, I guess. I'm supposed to give it a name. What should I name this? And you're probably seeing this in like July, and I've probably made 15 loaves of bread by then, God willing. Okay, I'm at 85, so I got to kind of slow it down. 91, 98, oh God. 98.8. Take a tiny bit out. 99, 98.8, 99, 100.6. Come on. I'm probably way more. Okay, 100. Exactly 100. So, there we go. There we go. So now I'm supposed to stir this, which seems like the easiest part of the whole process. So I have to stir it, and oh, that looks good. It's supposed to be like thick pancakey batter, I've seen people say. Ooh, don't fly away. And then I have to put it in my house in a warm, out of the way place. It looks a little thick, but Okay. I'd rather have it be too thick than too thin, I guess. It's supposed to like separate. I don't know. We'll see. This little piece does a good job at getting all the spots, getting down deep in the thing there. So I guess I'm a sourdough person. What am I gonna name her? I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll let you know next time what I named her. Maybe I'll figure it out. Put it in the captions of this. I don't know. We're doing this together, right? Okay. I'm sorry if you're not into sourdough. Am I going to become one of those people? Those like sourdoughy people? Maybe I'll get bread to actually turn out. I don't know. Maybe it's too thin. I might have to watch some videos and see if I need to put more water. I might need to put a little bit more water in there. I don't know. But we got to watch for bubbles, I guess. Bubbles. I'll let you know if I decide to, check a video and see if it's supposed to be thinner. But that's that. That's what we're doing. So we'll see. I got to rinse that off. But have a good day. I'll let you know what we do. What her name is. We gotta put this thing on the top. I don't like this stuff up here. I want it to scrape down. So I'm probably 2 times this if it, I'm sorry. There we go. I'm rubbing my nose, sorry. Okay, so we're going to put this little thing on, and then I have to put like that. And then I got to put where it's measured at. Oh, wait, that's not. Oh, gosh. Got to mush. Okay. I'm probably going to edit some of this out. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to get a holder. Okay. Like a spoon rest or something when I do this. I do this outside because, okay. So we're going to move this thing down here to mark where it is. And what is today? Today is Monday. Oh, okay. Last fed on Monday at what? Like, it's 4:30. So we're going to put, we did it like there. It's like 3 p.m. So there we go. Wait, we're supposed to mark, I think that's supposed to be the top of it. It's way down here at the bottom. So we're going to do that. So it wasn't quite 6 p.m. but Monday, I'll be back. Have a good day. Bye.